just make zucchini so that I cut it in the length. Then I use a spoon to dig almost everything out. Then I put a frying pan, a little bit grounded meat, and the rest of the zucchinis, but not the scale itself. And then taco spices, a little bit onion, and then I fill the zucchini with all the what I fried the frying pan. Then some kind of cheese above, then in the stove, 200 degrees, about 15 minutes. Voila, that's wonderful. Yeah. Actually, you can fill paprika and even tomatoes in the same way. And everything that you dig from the paprika or from the tomatoes, you fry together with the grounded meat. Celery. Everything goes with a little celery.
Gamitin ko na to ha, kasi sayang naman. Normally, I only use zucchini. It's a shame. Don't use this kasi baka ma-scratch. Pag nakita nyo na yung juice niya ay gumagalaw na dun sa ilalim. Pag may gumagalaw na dun, tama na. Kasi magtutubig yung zucchini and the potato and the tomato. It will become water too. Pag nakikita nyo na nagpo-flow na, wait, you let it be for a while. Just clean the edges because they will become very brown in the oven. When you see that it's moving, the sauce is moving on all sides. Aamoy ito na second batch.
Bakit pwede na po ba yung baked potato?
Too much water or too much fluid in gratin, because when you put up on a plate, put it on the plate, there's water on the sides, there's everywhere, it's swimming on the plate, it doesn't look nice. And then when people put something else, it's dropping everywhere. That's why gratin has to have some kind of consistency so that it doesn't float everywhere. And the other part is it's nicer to eat something which has something to bite. Otherwise you make porridge. And remember, if you put cucumber or tomatoes in the gratin, it has already water so much so that it's
everything else. Potatoes do have water. Zucchini has water. Okay, as a topping, I use another cheese. It's called Parmesan. it becomes browner and crispier.
A little bit stronger taste.
And very much stronger taste than the Emmental.
Parang the sound that is normally pasta cheese.
Pero itong cheese na to, what's this?
Emmental.
Emmental.
Emmental cheese.
What's the difference?
This one melts and becomes very nice and soft. Nagiging creamy siya. Pero strong cheese din siya. You can taste it. You can eat it. Ayun, sige. Ano kayo ng Emmental? It's a piece of cheese na yung maraming butas.
Ito talagang pang pizza, di ba?
Ito yung cheese na maraming butas. Malaki siya. It's a big piece of cheese. Ganyan kalaki. The holes in the cheese are because of the bacteria, the special bacteria used to make the milk ferment into cheese.
You have your bagoong fermented.
Tapos na. Kasi ang maganda sa mga ganito, ang tawag dyan ay Auflauf in German, is you can prepare this ahead of time before your party. You can prepare this in the morning before you go to work, and your party is in the evening. You just put it in the refrigerator. Isalang mo lang siya. Pag tanggal mo ng coat mo, on mo yung oven, after 10 minutes, isalang mo siya, habang nagsishower ka, nagbe-bake. Tapos, pagdating ng guest mo, luto na yung pagkain mo. This is the advantage of things like this. You really can prepare them way ahead of time. Way ahead of time. Okay?